everyone, this is Lucy, and today we will be learning how to disable transparency and blur on Samsung Galaxy Smart. I am using Samsung Galaxy M12 phone right now. I think this most probably works for every other phones out there. So to start, you just need to go to settings. Now, once you're in the settings, scroll down and find accessibility. It's usually at the bottom of the options. It's usually at the bottom of the settings. Now just go to accessibility and you just need to click on visibility enhancement. Click on that and you will be taken to this setting. Here, scroll down and find reduce transparency and blur. What you're going to do is just toggle that bar right there and enable this feature. Now once you go back and just right there, you will not see that feature. Now again, if I do that, you will not see that feature. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. For more videos, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.